Many women ask about ways to tighten the vagina, whether due to natural changes from aging, childbirth, or simply wanting to improve their sexual health and well-being. This video will show you all the do-it-yourself methods and as well the medical procedures, and will cover the risks, benefits, and frequently asked questions. Let's get started. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and drop your comments at the end of the video. First, let's talk about why vaginal laxity happens. The vagina is made of elastic muscle tissue, which naturally stretches and contracts. Over time, due to factors like aging, childbirth, hormonal changes during menopause, and certain medical conditions, the muscles can lose some of their natural tone. This can lead to a feeling of looseness, which can affect sexual satisfaction or simply make a woman feel less confident in her body. The good news is, there are many non-invasive do-it-yourself methods that can help tighten your vaginal muscles and improve overall pelvic floor health. Let's start with the most common methods. One of the most effective DIY methods for tightening the vagina is Kegel exercises. These exercises focus on strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, which support the vagina, bladder, and uterus. Here's how to do them. Step 1. Locate your pelvic floor muscles by stopping the flow of urine midstream. Step 2. Once you've identified the muscles, contract them for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Step 3. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, 3 times a day. Over time, your muscles will get stronger and tighter. Consistency is key. Many women see noticeable improvements in vaginal tightness within a few weeks. ###2. Squats. Dr. Sarah, enthusiastic. Squats are another great way to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. Stronger pelvic muscles lead to improved vaginal tone. To do squats. Step 1. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Step 2. Lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair, making sure your knees don't go past your toes. Step 3. Push back up to the starting position. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 squats a day. ###3. Vaginal weights or Benoit balls. Dr. Sarah, engaging vaginal weights or Benoit balls are another effective way to engage the pelvic floor muscles. You insert these small weighted devices into the vagina and perform Kegels while holding them in place. This adds resistance, making your muscles work harder and become stronger over time. Always start with lighter weights and work your way up as your muscles get stronger. ###4. Yoga and Pilates. Dr. Sarah, calm. Yoga and Pilates are excellent for improving core strength and pelvic floor tone. Specific poses like the bridge pose or child's pose directly engage the muscles that support the vagina. Regular practice can help improve your muscle tone and flexibility. Believe it or not, diet plays a role too. Staying well hydrated and consuming foods rich in estrogen, like flax seeds and soy products, can help maintain vaginal health. Collagen-rich foods, such as bone broth, can improve tissue elasticity, contributing to vaginal tightness. Now, if you've tried these DIY methods and still feel that you need more improvement, there are medical options. Let's talk about some of the most common vaginal tightening procedures. The most popular non-surgical option is laser vaginal rejuvenation, or LVR. This is a minimally invasive procedure that uses controlled laser energy to heat and tighten the vaginal tissues. The laser stimulates collagen production, which improves elasticity and tightens the vaginal walls. Please drop your comments below and let us know your thoughts or questions. Another non-surgical option is radiofrequency treatments like ThermiVa or Viveve. These treatments use radiofrequency energy to heat the vaginal tissues, similar to the laser treatments, to stimulate collagen and restore tightness. They are painless, require no downtime, and can provide excellent results over a few sessions. Finally, For more dramatic results, there is vaginoplasty, a surgical procedure designed to tighten the vaginal canal and surrounding tissues. It's more invasive, but offers long-lasting, significant results, especially for women who have experienced extensive vaginal stretching due to childbirth or aging. The surgeon removes excess tissue and tightens the vaginal muscles with sutures. This procedure usually takes about 1 to 2 hours under general anesthesia. Like any medical procedure, these treatments do carry risks. Some of the risks include 1. Infection. There's a risk of infection with any procedure, though it's rare with non-invasive treatments. 2. Scarring. With surgical vaginoplasty, there's a potential for scarring, though it's typically minimal. 3. Changes in sensation. Some women may experience numbness or altered sensation, which can sometimes affect sexual function. 4. Pain or discomfort. It's common to experience some discomfort after surgical or laser procedures, but this typically subsides within a few days. Many women experience improved quality of life and confidence after these procedures or exercises. The benefits include 1. Increased sexual satisfaction. Both partners may feel enhanced pleasure due to increased vaginal tightness. 2. Improved confidence. Many women feel more confident and comfortable in their bodies after tightening their vaginal muscles. 3. Strengthened pelvic floor. Strengthening the pelvic floor can reduce the risk of urinary incontinence or pelvic organ prolapse. Now let's answer some of the most common questions I get about vaginal tightening. How long does it take to see results from Kegels? You'll typically start seeing improvements within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent Kegel exercises. The more you practice, the stronger your muscles will become. Are laser or radiofrequency treatments painful? No, these treatments are generally painless. You may feel a slight warmth or tingling, but they don't require anesthesia, and there's no downtime. Can I do Kegels during pregnancy? Absolutely. In fact, Kegels can help you prepare for childbirth and improve postpartum recovery by strengthening the pelvic floor muscles. How long do surgical vaginoplasty results last? Surgical vaginoplasty results can last many years, especially if you maintain a healthy lifestyle. However, future pregnancies or significant weight fluctuations may affect the results. Are these procedures covered by insurance? Cosmetic procedures like laser vaginal rejuvenation or vaginoplasty are generally not covered by insurance. However, if the procedure is medically necessary, such as for pelvic organ prolapse, insurance might cover part of the cost. Tightening your vagina can be achieved through a variety of methods, from simple exercises you can do at home to advanced medical procedures. The key is to find the approach that's right for you and your body. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for a consultation. Thanks for watching and take care of your health. For more information, visit our website. Stay informed and stay healthy.